This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Zorina Moore. Welcome home. Beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in Ciega Village in sunny Clearwater, Florida, close to the beaches. Flood Zone X. This move-in ready home features an open floor plan with new laminate flooring, vaulted ceilings and lots of windows providing tons of natural light. Freshly remodeled kitchen with lovely granite countertops, new kitchen cabinets with plenty of storage, new backsplash and newer stainless steel appliances. Newer AC 2020. New roof June 2022. Both bathrooms have been tastefully remodeled. Professional interior/exterior painting 2020. Exterior offers a spacious 2-car attached garage, rear screened porch, gutters with leaf guards, irrigation system in front and backyard. The lake's community features a community pool and tennis court. Call today to schedule your private showing.